In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the middle one. Now to listen to your recording, click on it and operating using all of those options. To rename it or delete it, hold it, click on rename or delete at the bottom, and wherever you decided, confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!